Good afternoon. We're now on the record. The time on the video monitor is 5:16 p.m. The date is March 30th, 2020. Here marks the beginning of the video recording of the deposition of Mr. John Smith. This is in the case of Smith versus Smith in the Superior Court of the State of California, County of Orange, case number 000000. My name is Sean Malone. I'm a certified and trained videographer. Here on the call with us today is a certified and trained court reporter, Stephanie Leslie. Will the counsels please introduce themselves for the record? Or rather, the counsel present. Tim Nelson for the plaintiff. All right, thank you, Mr. Nelson. And at this time, will the court reporter kindly administer the proper oath?
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly state that the testimony you are about to give in this case should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, Mr. Smith. Hello. As you heard, my name is Tim Nelson, and I'll be taking your deposition today. And before we really dig into it, I just need to go over a few things with you. First of those things being, during the deposition, it's important that you and I don't speak over one another. For the court reporter's sake, she's taking this down in real time. So just wait for my question to end. I'll give you the same courtesy. And does that sound all right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The other thing I want to go over is the difference between an estimate and a guess. I'm assuming you have a kitchen table in your home there. Am I right?
I do.
And if I asked you to estimate the length of that kitchen table, would you be able to do that for me?
Yes, sir.
However, if I asked you to please estimate the length of my kitchen table in my home, would you be able to do that?
No.
And that's because you have never seen my kitchen table, right? You have no knowledge of my kitchen table. And that's really the difference between an estimate and a guess. In the estimate example, you have knowledge, you have something to draw on. And that's all I want from you today is your knowledge, your best estimates, and your best recollections. Does that sound fair?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you consumed any drugs or alcohol in the last 24 hours?
No, sir.
Is there any other reason you can think of why you wouldn't be able to give your best testimony today?
No, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Smith. I want to keep this going, and I know it's a little early for a break, but I do need to just take a 2-minute break if we can come back in just a few minutes. So Mr. Videographer, if we can please go off the record. Certainly, the time on the video monitor is 5:19 p.m. We're going to go off the record. The time on the video monitor is 5:22 p.m. and we're back on the record. Thank you. Mr. Smith, while we were on our break, I was able to take a look at this first exhibit, which I want to share with you. And Ms. Reporter, I'd like to mark this as exhibit number 1. So Mr. Smith, I'm going to show that to you via the teleconference right now. So Mr. Smith, do you see the exhibit there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a spreadsheet. And can you tell me, this is from a period from January to May 18. I'm assuming that means 2018?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what? I just need to take one more break off the record. I just realized this exhibit is incomplete. So I need to just grab that real quick. So let's go off the record at this time. Okay, time of the video monitor is 5:23 p.m. and we're going to go off the record. Thank you.